Hello YouTube, I'm gonna make this video to show y'all how to replace a hard drive. We're gonna try to do this with this Dell Optiplex computer. I'm gonna try to make this as real at it as it is, you know what I'm saying? Okay, first, you can start off by opening this. Open this. On this one, you have to put it right here. These cables. 2 cables.